one-sided maze. I got no destination, 'cause I'm a little boy named Train. Ask me again, I'll tell you the same. Little boy named Train. I don't know where I come from, but I know where I have been. I said don't know where I come from, but I know where I have been.
Are we gonna do it, buddy?
Yeah.
Gravitron?
Upside down?
You gonna do it upside down?
Yeah. We have to wait for it till it reaches its climax.
You think I'm gonna vomit this time?
What?
I might vomit.
Okay. No, you aren't. You won't.
Don't let me vomit.
But when you're really light and you start to go up, you're like, ding. And when it slows down, you're like, upside down.
I'm about ready to go on Gravitron.
Now they
I hope I don't vomit.
You're about to experience the adrenaline rush of
Woo! Woo!
Once you are in your gravity seat, please
We are in now.
all those items such as having you and your legs straight down and
I already feel like I'm
do not try to grab the handrail in front of you. Never raise your arms, turn sideways, or try to turn upside
Here we go, Gravitron.
Keep your head faced forward and flat against your gravity seat. Do not try
There
to
ain't no
use
go
your
back
hands
now.
or feet to slide up.
Oh no! Oh, stomach, don't let me down. Oh. Oh. Whoa, Ian's going. Whoa. Woo. Yeah, baby. He's strong. Wow. Ian.
yes, I'm at the top!
Ian! Oh my gosh! We did the Gravitron.
Oh,
Weird feeling though, huh?
I I think I'm disoriented. That's west.
It feels like you're going like upside down.
I know.
you know, or-
No, that's east. Where am I? Try walking.
I'm gonna let everybody else walk first.
Especially when you get out.
That was kind of fun though.
Just turn your head. It's so weird.
That was pretty fun. We did it, dude. I did it, man. Ribtron. I mastered you, buddy. I didn't do that before, man.
What? You didn't know that centrifugal force made you...
Yeah, but it doesn't make you feel that sick.
Yeah, it's weird. Maybe because you can't see and everything is still going the same direction.
Yeah.
It would make you feel sick if the person in the middle was detached and he was just spinning around. That's gotta suck for the operator. He's always like, "Ah!"